Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to install the Google Translate Chrome extension onto your Chrome browser so that if you are struggling to understand something on the internet, you can get it translated into your home language easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're just going to search in Google, um, Google Translate Chrome extension. And you'll click on this first option, make sure it has the web store because that's where we're getting it from. And just make sure that you see this icon. That's the right one. And we're going to click Add to Chrome. It's going to say it can read and change all your data on the websites you visit. So that means for any website I open up, I can change the language using the extension. So we want to click Add Extension. It's checking, and then you see it pops up in the top right-hand corner of my extension tab. So it's been added, and I can click on it. But the first thing you want to do is go to this puzzle piece where it houses all of your extensions and make sure that it is pinned. So click on this push pin here so that it shows up here at all times. So let's use it and see how it works. So I'm just going to go to the New York Times. And so this is just a typical news page in English. So let's say my home language is Spanish and I'm having a hard time understanding the whole text. So what I could do is I could click on the translate icon and click translate this page. And a banner is going to pop up here. And it'll say translated to, and you can click this arrow and select any of these languages. Now, it doesn't have all of the languages that students at Dater speak, but it does have a lot. So try to find one that works for you. And once you select that language, it will translate into Spanish. And what's nice about this is that if you hover your cursor over different sections of the web page, it'll show the original. So it'll show it in Spanish, and then it will also show it in English. If you are done and you don't want it in your home language anymore, just click Show Original, and it'll switch back to English. So I can X out of that. And then another thing you can do is if you don't know this word, like undertold, you could, whoops, link, try something else. Okay, so this is a different news source, and let's say I don't know a specific word in an article, so I'm going to click on this article. And let's say I don't know how to say this word in English. I could just highlight it and click the Google Translate extension, and it will tell me how to pronounce it in English. Okay, so the same works if I want to change the article into Spanish. Switch the language to Spanish. And I can see the original text here. Or I could select this one word, hit that icon, and it will pronounce it for me. Okay, so that is Google Translate.